Yeah. Done? Thank you.
It's been a great ride actually. We've been collaborating with them, and Abhi, it's a good journey. The journey started, and it's a long journey to be with them. And I think maza aega. Thank you.
हाँ मेरे एप्लीकेशन अच्छा
Rolling eyes, rolling everyone.
आपको बोलना है
While we ask you, center थोड़ा सा आगे.
Yeah.
Just come closer. Okay. Super congratulations. आज ही sort of wrap up है और web series complete हुई है. Teaser आया first बताइए. Content Films Production से आप दोनों as producers क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Thank you so much. I think we are getting a lot of positive response from the audience. All the cast and crew is there inside. Everybody is excited. The promo has come up very well. The effort
The show is
everybody.
also shaped out
Yeah,
very well.
the show has shaped out very well, and everybody has put in lot of efforts to bring this alive. And Rajiv, you said.
पहला प्रोजेक्ट है पूरा एक्सपीरियंस फिल्म में काम करने का
Sudhir के साथ.
या सुधीर जी
It's been a very wonderful experience working with Sudhir ji, and he's a great filmmaker. He understands the sensitivity of how the human emotions and how people would adapt and respond to the emotions. So he knows how to execute the cinema in the same language, and that what works very well for him.
कास्टिंग की बात की जाए तो आपने बहुत अमेजिंग कास्टिंग की है फिल्म की द इंटायर लॉट इज टोटली वेब सीरीज कैसे डिसाइड किया विद सुधीर जी हाउ डू यू ऑल लाइक पुट द प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर
This actually it's been a very big help along with Sudhir ji. Sanjeev is a fantastic director and a maker. He's been able to bring such a big cast together purely basis because the content is extremely strong, and every person involved with the film has seen the vision of the director, that is with Sudhir ji and Sanjeev, and hence because of that conviction on the story and the script, every artist we've approached, actually none of them denied, and everyone accepted the project the way it is, and they are really enjoying their roles what they have done.
All the actors are excellent actors
Excellent
actually.
actors.
Yeah.
तो हर एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस का एक मिशन रहता है एक फिलॉसफी रहती है कंटेंट प्रोडक्शन होते हैं कंटेंट ड्रिवन नेम है कैसे आप पॉइंट एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिनेमा डू वी गेट
We definitely want to be make realistic content, okay, and which can connect immediately with the audience. We want to give quality content basically, and that's our aim. In time to come, we want
Something
to,
that is more relatable and audience can adapt to and get engaged with, and that is something more organic and real which people are able to accept and enjoy purely, not just as a content, even as the way we tell the story, and that's the basic thought.
when do we see this web series on screen
exact date we cannot
Exact
say.
date we cannot currently
Platform
announce
will be
because that's
decided.
purely based on the platform, and we cannot say about that.
अभी कुछ शूट भी बाकी है
10 days of shoot is remaining in Kashmir.
इन कश्मीर थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
देते देते आदमी लगता क्या करूँ, मुस्कुराऊँ, कितना और मुस्कुराऊँ. Welcome. Indeed. I basically read the script long ago, and I was very impressed the way this unfolds.
एंड आज का प्रोमो देख के मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोमो एंड इट ऑल्सो शोज अ लॉट of very great performances. There's a lot of great actors in this. It's very exciting, and what I liked about it that it's different. It's not the usual promo that you see. You know, it's done differently. It creates an interest that you really want to see what it is. So, all the best.
और टीजर काफ़ी अच्छा है. आपने अगर देखा रहेगा तो क्या कुछ ऐसी बात है जो काफ़ी अमेजिंग लगी रहेगी?
वही बोल रहा हूँ that it looks different. It doesn't look like run of the mill. क्योंकि सारे प्रोमो जनरली म्यूजिक एंड देन क्लाइमैक्स एंड ऑल दैट. बट इसमें एक कहानी दिख रही है, इसमें कैरेक्टर्स दिख रहे हैं, इसमें एक वर्ल्ड दिख रहा है, एक दुनिया दिख रही है. तो दैट इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग.
Is there any of your project coming up? Would you like to say?
मेरा यार अभी चल रहा है बंदा, which is creating a huge impact. A lot of people are seeing it. It's released today also in 25 theaters.
Any comment that you have got
For
last 24 hours about your series?
बंदा के लिए.
Yes, about the Banda.
Banda is doing phenomenal. Everybody is talking about it. We are getting great reviews, and it's gone to theaters. This is, I think, first film which has gone from OTT to theater. So that is also very exciting. So yes.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
बोलना यहाँ पे.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं फॉर आपके नए वेब सीरीज़ के लिए. बहुत शुभकामनाएं और अच्छी बात है आप इतने इस लेवल पे जाके काम कर रहे हो जिस लेवल मतलब मैंने देखा है आपकी पूरी जर्नी. और मेरी तरफ से बहुत ढेरों शुभकामनाएं आपको. थैंक यू.
What wishes would you like to give to audience and production?
Well, it's been a pleasure to be a part of this project, and I enjoyed shooting. And the thing which I have done is it's not supposed to be revealed. When they take me, they want something amazing, you know, where people are not going to expect. कि कुछ अलग होगा, like in Andhadhun, nobody expected. So इसमें भी कुछ ऐसा है. So sorry, I can't reveal. What is it?
The experience कैसे रहा working on this?
Oh, lovely. I'm working for last 53 years and I'm still enjoying because I've got so much love and affection from everybody. So there's no reason that I should stop working. That's the thing. जो कल किया था वो आज भी करूँगा, परसों भी करूँगा. But what makes you do is the question is, I get lot of respect, lot of love, and that's it. That makes me do. I'm not going to do something very different there. Huh? Thank you everybody. Lovely meeting you all. Bye, 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 bye.
सर एक साइड आइए ना. सर यहाँ पे.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Thanks.
Straight from Cannes.
From Cannes.
Sir, just one picture, please. Sir, yeah, both of you in my camera.
यहाँ पे सामने.
यहाँ पर सामने.
Sir, what else you come this side?
Looking very nice. Rajiv.
All good.
अरे सारे इधर की जा रहे हैं भाई टीम को बुला लो यार. सर यहाँ पर सर इधर एक बार. Thank you. इधर सर के साथ आओ। भुवन कम आजा भुवी मेक एन एंट्री आजा व्हेयर इज रहमत व्हाट रहमत सो मच ऑफ इधर से चलते हैं सर इधर से ऐसे घूमते हुए उधर चले जाएंगे ऐसे sorry yeah that's yeah thanks आयो भी ना आयो तो संजीव कहाँ गायब हो गया संजीव भाई संजीव भाई राज के शाही बोल हाँ अच्छा ये शाही बोल चलो हो गया संजीव राज आओ मेरे से इंटरव्यू कर रहे थे मेरे से तो ऐसे थोड़ा आड़ा कर ले आदिनाथ हम लोगों पे डालो ना सॉरी आ जाओ अरे मैं तो आ ही नहीं रहा आई थिंक सो या आई कैन सी मैं बताओ संजीव आ जा अंदर आगे आओ संजीव क्या आगे फोटो आ रही है आगे आओ इधर नहीं आओगे अच्छा एक आपको मुझे भी अंदर आगे आओ लाइट लगा दिया प्रॉब्ली आपको भी तो भारी होगा लंबा हाथ चाहिए भाई लंबा हाथ चाहिए भाई और वो तो कानून का होता है
पड़ेगा इधर आ जाओ
आप कैसे खड़े रहते
अरे इधर आने के लिए
आगे आगे आजा
आगे आऊँ
कब है
ये हुई ना बात
हमसे पूछो लाइट क्या होती है पीयूष मिश्रा भी आया था थैंक यू चलो अंदर चलो
No, it's a wonderful series. It's a great book. Adaptation is very good. The cast is very good. I hope we've done a good job. That's Sanjeev and me. And if we've done a good job, then it works, you know. The rest of them are pretty good. And no, it's a very exciting series. The premise is amazing. I mean, this journalist and the gangster, and who's the hunter, who's the hunted. So, you know, it keeps switching. So it's a wonderful series. Rahul is fantastic. Saqib is fantastic. The whole cast, Danish, you know, Sabah Azad, all of them are including Danish and my old friend Kishore Kadam. Very good. Amazing series. Here it is. Watch it.
He tells me do it, I can't say no to him, na. There is, I don't see scripts, I don't see, you know, I don't read much, I only see the director. And I believe that if the director is there, then he must have definitely worked on the script, and, you know, obviously script will be very good. And if he is there, then if he has to just tell me do one part, I will do it. Even if he tells me to do a junior part somewhere, I will do it. Because he has to.
He is on the verge of it. He's going to become a star in the next 6 months.
नहीं तब भी वही होगा.
Next 6 months is switching, you know, Kennedy, this.
Oh, lovely. It was great experience. You know, working with such amazing, accomplished actors in this series itself, you know, you learn so much from them and their experience. Rajesh Telang, all these great actors are there. And it's a wonderful experience working with actors of that caliber. And when Sudhirji is directing, then it's definitely, you know, you get to do something else. And you learn much more every single day when you come on the set.
That's not our job. I know that we'll complete it in the next 2 months and deliver. After up to Z5, how they'll, you know, they've got to schedule it correct. And I'm sure they'll do and the teaser's out, watch it. It's very good. It's damn good. No, it's wonderful. I mean, and who has done the teaser, I haven't, has really caught the spirit of the show. So, that's good.
Okay, thank you guys.